Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.
Now, let's continue with more advanced fixes and safety tips to ensure your tires are in great condition.
Routine tire rotations.
Tire rotations are key to prolonging the life of your tires. Regularly moving tires from one position to another helps to ensure even wear. Here's why it matters and how often to do it. Benefits of rotation. Rotating your tires promotes balanced handling, better traction, and can improve fuel efficiency. Recommended frequency. Aim to rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. This can vary based on driving habits and vehicle type, so check your manual for specifics.
Visual inspections. Visual inspections begin with just a quick look. Make it a habit to check your tires regularly, focusing on these areas. Tread depth. Use the penny test. Insert a penny into the tread grooves. If you can see all of Lincoln's head, it's time for new tires. Cracks and bulges. Look for any visible damage. Cracks or bulges can indicate a weakened tire that needs replacing. Foreign objects. Inspect for rocks, nails, or anything stuck in the tire. Remove anything you find to avoid potential punctures. Maintaining proper alignment. Proper wheel alignment is essential for tire longevity and overall vehicle performance. Misalignment can lead to uneven tire wear. Watch for these signs that may indicate alignment issues. Pulling to one side. If your car drifts left or right on a straight road, it could mean your alignment is off. Uneven tire wear. Check your tires for uneven patterns. They can signal a need for alignment adjustments. Vibration or steering issues. If you notice unusual vibrations or difficulty steering, it may be time to have your alignment checked. Taking these proactive steps not only keeps your tires in good shape but also enhances your safety on the road. Regular maintenance goes a long way in preventing more costly issues down the line. When to seek professional help. Knowing when to seek professional help for your tires is crucial for safe driving. Tires are the only point of contact between your vehicle and the road. Ignoring certain signs can lead to serious safety issues. Here are some key situations to watch for, so you can act promptly. Signs of severe damage. Some signs clearly indicate that your tires may need professional attention. Ignoring these issues can lead to dangerous situations on the road. Here are specific signs of severe damage. Bulges or blisters. These are signs of internal tire damage. A bulge can mean the tire is about to blow out. Cuts or cracks. Any visible cuts or cracks can weaken the tire structure. This makes it more likely to fail. Uneven wear patterns. If the tread is wearing unevenly, it may indicate alignment issues. This can lead to further problems if not fixed. Punctures larger than 1/4 inch. Small punctures may be repairable, but larger ones often mean you need a replacement. Exposed steel belts. If you see steel wires through the rubber, your tire is beyond repair. If you notice any of these signs, consult a tire professional right away. Unusual noises or vibration. Unusual noises or vibrations can signal problems with your tires or other parts of your vehicle. Pay attention to these signs. Thumping sounds. This could mean a tire is out of balance or has internal damage. Humming or whirring. This noise can indicate that your tires are worn down. Vibrations in the steering wheel. If you feel the steering wheel shake, it might be a sign of uneven tire wear or alignment issues. Addressing these symptoms swiftly is important. Don't ignore strange sounds or vibrations. If your ride isn't as smooth as it should be, reach out to a professional for an assessment. Age of the tires. The age of your tires is just as important as their tread depth. Tires don't last forever. Here are some points to consider about tire age. General lifespan. Most tires are designed to last around 6 years. After that, the rubber can begin to deteriorate, even if there's still tread left. Check manufacturing date. Look for the dot code on your tire, which shows when it was made. If it's over 6 years old, consider replacing it, regardless of tread wear. Environmental factors. Extreme temperatures and exposure to sunlight can speed up tire aging. If your tires have been exposed to rough conditions, it might be time for a change. Don't assume that newer tires are always safe. Even if tread seems fine, the rubber may not be. If your tires are getting older, consult a professional to evaluate their condition. In summary, being aware of these factors helps ensure your safety on the road. Seeking professional help when you notice these signs can prevent accidents and keep your vehicle running smoothly. Addressing tire issues promptly and regularly is crucial for your safety and vehicle performance. Tires are the only contact between your car and the road, so neglecting their condition can lead to dangerous situations. Implement the preventive measures discussed to keep your tires in top shape. Regular checks for pressure, tread wear, and alignment can save you from costly repairs and enhance your driving experience. What tire maintenance steps will you take today? Remember, a few simple actions can ensure you stay safe on the road while improving your vehicle's efficiency. Your safe journey starts with well-maintained tires. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.